Hi everybody, this is Grant here. Been working on this aquaponics setup for a couple of months now, and we've had quite bad worms, or looks like worms, attacking our broccoli. Such an extent that they're actually suffering quite a bit, not producing that well. So what I've decided to do is to put some lettuce over here. Now this is the kind of lettuce that doesn't form a head. It's just a leafy lettuce which just keeps producing, and you can harvest it continually. So what I'm going to do is, in this open spot over here, I'm going to plant lettuce, and as they get bigger I'll then just remove these broccoli out of the way. Initially we had lettuce in this garden, but it didn't last. I think right in the beginning there just weren't enough nutrients for them to make it. So we're going to try again and see what we can get.